Site preparation for construction work causes problems. Even on small sites, topsoil has to be stripped, basements dug, trees and scrub removed, roads provided for wheeled vehicles and equipment, existing buildings demolished and hundreds of cubic meters of earth removed for site levelling. All jobs that can waste time and could tie up a lot of expensive capital equipment. To help solve these problems, JCB manufacture a range of crawler loading shovels. The 110 was the first crawler loader to use a fully hydrostatic transmission system, giving high performance, excellent manoeuvrability and easy control. A system that won both the British Design Council Award and the Queen's Award for Technological Innovation. After several years of field experience, there are now 3 machines with capacities from 1.1 to 1.5 cubic meters. A range of powerful, reliable and versatile earth-moving machines. A JCB 112 with a 1 1/4 cubic meter clam shovel is preparing the ground for a new car park. Before removing the topsoil from some parts of the site, several small trees and bushes had to be rooted out. Used as a grab, coupled with the powerful lifting capacity of the 112, small tree stumps, rocks or lumps of concrete can be removed in one operation by one machine. In this sort of application, the versatility of the 6-in-1 clam shovel is obvious. The clam shovel also proves its worth when accurate site stripping, dozing or backblading is required. Another job often encountered in site preparation work is demolition. An overriding consideration here is safety, and the 110B, as with all JCB machines, is designed and built with safety very much in mind. The driver is totally enclosed in a rollover protection cab, tested and approved to international standards. Mounted at the front of the machine, this cab allows an unobstructed view of the bucket at all times, and the excellent all-round visibility gives increased protection, not only for the operator and machine, but also for people working nearby. A rear-mounted engine and low center of gravity gives the machine the stability it needs to work safely in this potentially dangerous environment. Track gear for all crawler machines is an expensive replacement item, and so obviously the longer the track life, the less the machine costs to run. Recognizing this fact, JCB engineers came up with a high-endurance running gear called Super Track. Deeper hardened components, large diameter sealed-for-life rollers, and track plates with deep triple grousers all add up to give Super Track a dramatic increase in track life. A saving that is especially valuable for machines that spend much of their working time in conditions like these. The 114 is the largest machine in the range. Like the other two, it uses a fully hydrostatic transmission system. Unlike conventional drive systems, there are no clutches and no gears. Each track is driven independently in forward or reverse and controlled by one of 2 tillers. travel forward, both tillers are pushed forward. And to reverse, both are pulled back. Allowing the tillers to return to their mid-position stops both tracks and hydraulically locks them. Steering is achieved by a twisting movement of the hand, resulting in one track being driven faster than the other. Or even one track being driven forward while the other is reversing to give contra-rotation. Apart from removing maintenance problems associated with clutch packs and gearboxes, the main advantages of this system are manoeuvrability and ease of operation. The travel speed and tractive effort are automatically balanced to give the best use of engine power and maintain maximum digging performance. The driver no longer has to spend time gear changing or even selecting forward or reverse. Easy, precise control is only one example of the degree of operator comfort built into this range of machines. The cab is weatherproof and has an armchair seat as well as a heater. Soundproofing reduces noise in the cab, as does the unique hush flow exhaust system. Both cab doors may be opened for ventilation, and of course sliding doors are far less prone to sight damage. Everything has been done to simplify routine maintenance. The 3-ram bucket linkage has the minimum of grease points, all of which are readily accessible. Even the pressure test points are self-sealing. By operating a hand pump on the 112 and 114, the entire cab may be tilted forward hydraulically. This completely exposes the engine and hydraulic circuits for inspection or maintenance. Engine access is unrestricted by loader arms. The philosophy is simple. A machine that's easy to maintain will be looked after, and a machine that's looked after will give better service and will be more profitable.